Have you ever imagined a world where autonomous indoor drones could be used for emergency response, architecture, construction, and facility management? Well, CartoDrone is making this a reality. Equipped with advanced sensors and navigation technology, CartoDrone effortlessly navigates through complex indoor environments, such as warehouses. It provides accurate maps for inventory management and logistics. This enables us to monitor inventory levels and optimize workflow. Our drone also plays a key role in security and surveillance within the warehouse. Whether it's a bustling office building or a sprawling warehouse, CartoDrone adapts to any indoor setting with ease. Using cutting-edge LiDAR technology, CartoDrone meticulously scans its surroundings, creating high-resolution 2D maps for accurate navigation. But CartoDrone doesn't stop at 2D mapping. With its RGBD camera system, it effortlessly captures detailed imagery to create immersive 3D maps, perfect for construction planning and monitoring. During emergencies, CartoDrone can quickly explore tricky places, giving rescuers important info right away and helping to save lives. CartoDrone, your partner in indoor mapping and navigation. From warehouses to construction sites, CartoDrone revolutionizes the way we map and navigate indoor spaces.